Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel again, Dipan Vidcasts, and my name is Dipan. I live in London and I am a band 6 radiographer, and I make videos regarding HCPC registration, job, and regarding different topics of UK. So today I have come up with a very interesting and important video regarding the major upcoming changes in HCPC registration that is going to affect everybody. So I'm going to talk about it, and it's a must watch for everyone who are looking to do the HCPC registration here in UK. So HCPC has conducted their consultation on English language requirement recently with their stakeholders, and they have published a report on English language consultation outcome, and their policy manager Tom Miller has published an article in HCPC website stating their major changes on English language requirements that is going to come in late 2024 or maybe early 2025, but definitely they will let us know, and these changes are going to be very big changes. So I will be talking about one by one. So the first major change that is going to come is they are going to abolish the self-declaration of English language as your first language. So they will no longer accept self-declaration of English as your first language. That means whether you have studied your degrees in English and you have the method of instruction certificate, but you can't use it, okay? So that is they are going to abolish. So this simply means that though IELTS is mandatory still now, but there is a way, or there is a loophole, you can say, that you can declare English as your first language and provide the method of instruction certificate that you have studied your courses in English, and mostly HCPC is accepting it as a requirement of English as the evidence of English language proficiency. But when this change will come into effect, there will be no section where you can declare English as your first language, and you can't use it, okay? So instead of this, what they are going to do, they are going to make a list of qualifying countries where majority of people will speak English. That is 75% of people should speak English. If you belong from one of those countries, then your English proficiency will be automatically approved. Like if you belong from those countries, no need to provide any English language proficiency, or no need to give any IELTS or TOEFL. And if you do not belong from a country where 75% of people speaks English, then you must have to give IELTS or TOEFL in order to get your HCPC registration, because you will not have the option of declaring English as your first language and using your method of instruction certificate to prove your English language proficiency. Okay, and also HCPC is thinking to expand their approved test providers. Now they are only accepting IELTS and TOEFL as their English language proficiency test provider. So they are thinking of expanding it, so they might include OET or any other approved English language test exams. Like they are going to accept from those exams as well. So that we have to wait and see what are the list they will give us in coming days. So why HCPC is bringing these new changes? The reason is the other healthcare regulatory authority here in UK, like NMC, they have already updated their English language proficiency standard. So HCPC is also rethinking regarding their English language requirement. And another main reason is the number of international registrants from 2018 to 2023 has drastically increased. In 2018, only 20% registrants were from international routes, but in 2023, this has increased till 45%. So this is a major increase in number of people doing registration from abroad, outside UK. Okay, and the other main reason is, since there is a alternative way of proving your English proficiency by declaring English as your first language, HCPC has noticed that since last 1 or 2 years, probably 84.9% of international registrants have declared English as their first language. So that has compelled HCPC to revisit their policy regarding English language requirement. Okay, so when this rule will come into effect, like country like India, Pakistan, or Bangladesh, or other like where the 75% people are not speaking English, the candidates from those country then must have give IELTS or TOEFL or whatever the new English language testing exam, whatever they are thinking of including. You have to give these exams compulsory. Okay, so it will be very tough for you guys to get HCPC registration. And also HCPC is going to consider to accept evidence of registered work from one of the listed countries. So there might be some list of countries from which only the work experience will be accepted as your registered work experience. They are everything, they are consulting, but they will definitely let us know before this changes is going to come. So my advice is, till this rules comes into effect, if you are thinking of doing HCPC registration, please do it as early as possible. And in my YouTube channel you will find a lot of videos regarding how you can register with HCPC. And I will also add the link of this article in the description of this video. You can go there and read it. And if you still need any queries or any help from me, you can message me on my Instagram. I'll be really happy to help you. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends. Until the time I come up with a new video, take care of yourself and bye bye.